This is a brand new 2013 Kia Sportage. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front and rear floor mats, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, a rear window windshield wiper, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Fisher Auto is located at 6025 Arapahoe Drive in Boulder. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.